Zoe's birthday.
Hey, want Chuck E. Cheese. Now we're going to go inside of it.
And what's today?
Zoe's birthday.
Happy birthday.
High five.
Look at the camera. Say how old you are.
5.
You're 5?
5
Can you hold up a hand
years old.
like that? 5 fingers?
5 years.
5 years old. Okay, let's go.
I know.
Let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. Okay, let's go. Good job, Elle. Ooh, look at Zoe. Happy birthday, Zoe. Happy birthday. Ooh, there she goes. Go, Emily, go, Emily. Here's Zoe. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you learning to drive? Okay. Let's see you do it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, yeah. You gotta hit him. Aim and shoot. Aim and fire. You hit one of them. Hit them on their heads. Oh, you got... Try to hit them before they hit the top. Hit that top one. Oh, 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 oh no, oh no. Okay, Zoe's on Jet Rider. Jet Rider.
Welcome to Chuck E. Cheese. These are my friends Jet.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's have some fun together.
Woo.
Let's fly over the city. Let's go.
She must be flying around the city. Woo. Zoe's gonna take 5 with Chucky. You gotta say cheese over here. Say cheese. Cheese. Zoe just got a birthday sticker. Let me see. Ooh, so cute. Very nice, Zoe. Happy birthday. Oh, it's Emily's turn with Chuck E. Cheese. You got a picture? Ooh, very nice. We just got a picture from Chuck E. Cheese, the sketchbook. Zoe, birthday girl. And it has a little picture of her right there, and it's going to come out in just a moment. It's printing. Ooh, try not to bend it. Ooh, it's upside down, so. Very nice. You're so cute, Zoe.
Today's not my birthday, but I wish it was. 47 is a pretty big number. Looking at my feet because I love my shoes. So title, the title of our song is so title. Come on and sing along.
did the
How many tickets is that?
2 tickets for all that.
Coin.
2 coins.
Yeah.
And you just did the birthday party one? Wow, Zoe, good job.
Now I'm doing 2.
No, only 2.
Yeah.
Only 2.
Let me 3 or 4 then.
Look at Zoe.
Oh,
I think it's because it's your birthday, so you get all the tickets, huh?
oh, maybe.
Maybe. Because you're the birthday superstar.
And I got a more toys.
I thought you were way behind
Whoa.
Emily.
Wow. You got that many more?
You're like 100.
I bought a super birthday.
You're pretty amazing, Zoe.
That's pretty good.
I didn't want.
Look at her pile of tickets.
I know, that's a lot of tickets. Mom and I just did it. I think it turned out pretty cute. There's a little picture and a little printout here in just a moment. Oh. And there we are.
That's a good one.
It's a little bit better than this one.
This one we could just... I think that's the best one so far. That one I was looking up.
Yeah. Kind of fun to get our picture together, huh? Okay. Okay, now we did the whole family. The whole family. Caesar.
Can I go buy one of those bottles that...
Emily's up to 248. You're doing good, Em. And you still have more. So you got $3.95. Good job, Bear. You,
I
so,
got dinosaurs that has the bow.
ooh.
I got this.
That shows it's still...
What'd you get?
Oh boy.
You got a dinosaur too?
What does Zoe have? A Tootsie
And
Roll.
let's see your stuffed animal. Oh,
My
cute.
super yellow.
That must be
Yeah.
Miss Chuck E. Cheese.
Then